Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Dory and I'm so glad that you're here. I've lost a total of 80 pounds and I have kept it off for a long time. I follow Bright Line Eating, which is a no flour, no sugar eating style. When you're watching my videos about food, fitness, and freedom, where it pertains to food, we're gonna be having no flour, no sugar foods. I've maintained my weight loss for a very long time, for the first time ever in my life. I'm excited to be here with you today. A couple of things. As you're watching food recipes, you're gonna see something go off on the screen. That's a trigger warning. That means I'm letting you know if there's a food in this recipe that's going to light up your brain, and I'll give you some suggestions for that and to substitute. Next, as you're watching the video, there's going to be timestamps in the description and at the bottom bar of the screen. That way you can bypass and fast forward to whatever section of the video that works for you. If you like this video and you want to continue on with this journey, food, fitness, and freedom with me, be sure to subscribe and hit a thumbs up for a like on each of the videos you watch. Thank you so much. Hi guys, what's up? It's Dory and we're making a blueberry breakfast bake this morning. What's gonna happen? Number one, I wanna give you a couple of notes. First things first, this is super easy, super filling, super huge. We love all the supers, we got it. Next is gonna be your trigger warning. The trigger warning is this. This recipe contains nut butter. If nut butter doesn't work for you, if it lights up your brain, you can substitute it for mashed garbanzo beans, which you will see in the description below. The next piece is your kitchen is going to smell amazing. So keep that in mind because it's going to be a fresh baked smell in the kitchen, right? A point here about the dry oats that we're going to use. I personally grind my oats quickly. I do a quick pulse in my coffee grinder because I don't care for whole oats. So as you know, in Bright Line Eating, we have a no sugar, no flour situation going on. And so you feel free to do what works for you. If you like whole oats, I suggest you then follow the directions below in the description so that you can use whole oats. But know that I like to grind mine quickly, just a quick, like literally not even 2 seconds in the coffee grinder just to get a little bit smoother. So that is it. Let's go. Let's get started with our banana. We've got 4 ounces of banana right here that we're gonna mash up, really mashed, really mushy mashed. Then we're going to add to that our peanut butter. So let's get it on the scale and measure out 1 ounce of your nut butter. Keep in mind your trigger warning here. After that, let's move on to add the egg, our cinnamon, our vanilla, our baking powder, and mix it all together. Mix really, really well. After that, we will get our dry oats and mix that in really well. Keep in mind, you choose what works for you. Let's get 1 ounce of blueberry into the mixture and combine all of that, leaving 1 ounce of blueberries to the side. Now put it in the fridge and let it sit. And you might want to have a dance party, so make sure you've got music going on in the background while you get your pans ready. Yeah, I do like to dance. Music, water, yeah, let's go. Dance, dance, dance. All right, let's move on to prepare our pans. 30 minutes have passed and I am trying 2 different pans today. I've got 2 batches of this breakfast base. I have my spring form, which I use with the parchment paper to make easy cleanup, and I have a brand new silicone baking pan that I'm using, and I wanted to give that a try as well. There goes the 1 ounce of blueberries that we left so that we can put it on the top. I really like this step. Now that we've got both of these batches ready to go, we're going to get it into the oven, and 30 minutes. I actually cooked mine for about 40 minutes because I like it to be a little more toasty. So here we go. Look. Just, I can't. Behold the bounty of the blueberry breakfast bake. It is so thick and so spongy. I kid you not. It takes up my face, my whole hand.